If your videos stop getting views after the first 24 hours, hold on, do not delete those videos. There is an easy system that you can use to revive your videos and boost your views again. Now, I'll be sharing with you 6 methods that you can use to revive your videos again. You see this particular video on your screen? I used this particular method, one of these methods, to revive the views of this video, because when I first posted this video, it was having very low views until I now did this, including this other one that you can see on your screen. This was the same thing that I did to boost the views again, and I'm also going to be using it on this particular video that you're watching. You just come back tomorrow and look at the views of this video and you'll be wowed. Okay, so let's go into it. Now, the very first method is when it comes to your tags. Have you heard of rapid tags? Yes, I know a lot of people right now are ignoring their tags, and this is one very key thing that you should start looking into. Okay, so you want to go into this particular software known as rapid tags, put in the title of your video there, and then put in your niche just like I did here, and it's going to help you generate tags that are not only beneficial to that particular video but also to your niche as a whole, giving you a broader audience and more exposure. That way you're going to get more views on your videos.
So this is it. You want to type the title of your video. This is me typing how to get views on my video. So this particular tag it's going to generate is what I'm going to be using for this exact video that I am currently filming, okay, that you are currently watching. Now, once you do it, you don't need to sign up. What you just need to do is to hit the search button, and you can see all the tags. Just hit I agree, and then you're going to see where it says copy. You just copy the tags, and that's it.
Now, the second thing is when it comes to your end screens. Some people do not use end screens, and this is really affecting your videos. I remember when my first video that went viral, when it went viral, what I did was to leverage that video. I started using end screens for my other videos on that viral video, and trust me, it started boosting that video. Now, one thing about end screens is once you put end screens on any viral video or any other video, anyone who watches that video to the end will definitely most likely click on that end screen. So what you want to do is, anytime you post a particular video and you notice that after 24 hours that video hasn't started getting any views, or after 24 hours that video is still stuck on a certain number of views, what you want to do is to go to all of your videos and start using that new video as an end screen on all of your videos. Trust me, you're going to see the magic. Now, the very third method you want to be using is when it comes to your description. I'm going to give you a prompt that I use for my own description that you can also use.
You can decide to use this particular prompt, okay, and ensure that where I put script, I already taught you how to copy the script of your video. I've taught in not even one video of mine, I've taught in like 2-3 videos. So copy the script of your video and put the script in that place where I said paste the script.
Now, one thing you need to know is your first 2 sentences in your description really matters. So right now you want to go and rework your description, because your description is one very, very good push that your video needs to be able to boost or get revived again. Now, the fourth method is your thumbnail. Now, if you notice that after 24 hours people are no longer clicking on your video, there's a very high chance that your thumbnail is not appealing to them. Now, what is one easy way, in fact one of the easiest routes to generating for yourself good thumbnails, is getting inspiration from other videos, other similar videos that are doing very well. So now what you want to do is, whenever you want to create a thumbnail or you want to create a video, what you want to do is you go on YouTube on the search bar and type the title of that video. Now let YouTube bring up for you some of the best performing videos in that particular topic, okay, or in that particular title. Once it brings it out, you just look at the thumbnails that those people used. Definitely from the first 3 thumbnails you should be able to get good inspiration for your own video, and then you can use it to generate for yourself your own thumbnail. Now, if you know that you only generate just one thumbnail for your videos, you're missing out on a lot of views, you're missing out on a lot of help that YouTube can actually give you. So what you want to do is you want to start creating about 3 thumbnails and start using it on your thumbnail test, your A/B test for your thumbnail, for your YouTube thumbnail. So once you create your videos, place the 3 different thumbnails in that test, okay, and let YouTube run it for you, and then give you the one that best suits your video. I mean, the one that most people are clicking on. So that is the thumbnail you want to be using. Do you understand? You're welcome. If you're just meeting me for the first time, I'm Glory C, and I help both small content creators and new content creators to grow their channels on YouTube. I tell you what mistakes to avoid and also what you can also do to keep improving on your channel. So if this sounds like what you want, hit that subscribe button now. It's free, and of course you are free to give this video a thumbs up so you can get to a lot more people like you and me. Now moving up to the next method, it is when it comes to your shorts. When it comes to your shorts, if you've been on YouTube, this is no news that you can actually link your shorts to your long form videos. Now there are some people who come into my DM and they tell me that, oh Glory C, that I do very well on my shorts, but my long form videos I do not do well. Now since you do very well on your shorts, you can start to link your videos, your long form videos, to your shorts, and let people know, call people to action, tell them what you want them to do after watching your short. Another thing is, you don't want your shorts to be so long. Okay, keep your shorts short, like keep your shorts short, exactly. So that's one thing that you can actually use to get more, to revive your views on your video. Trust me, this one works. Now moving on to the last method, that is your titles. Your titles matters a lot. Now what you want to start doing is, you want to start getting about 5 to 10 titles for one particular video. Yes, you might start telling me that, oh Glory C, imagine having to struggle for one title, then I'll now start thinking of 10 titles. Don't worry, that's why we have artificial intelligence. We have your open AI, ChatGPT. Just go on ChatGPT, type your own title there, the one that you can think of, and tell ChatGPT to generate for you more titles. Now you don't want extremely long titles, and then you also want titles that are very relatable, something that someone will see and would easily understand, easily attach it to what, or relate it to their own problems, their own pains. That's what you want to be doing. That's what you want to use for your title. So after ChatGPT generates for you about 10 titles, what you now want to do is to go through those titles and look for one title, or see how you can combine those titles into just one short title that would still convey your message. Trust me, if you can do all of these things, your views will definitely come back up. Do not forget, I take YouTube one-on-one coaching sessions. Do not forget, I take YouTube one-on-one coaching sessions and also video editing one-on-one coaching sessions. If this sounds like something you're interested in, you want me to hold your hand, to go through your channel with you, your YouTube studio with you, your analytics, to give you ideas, you want to complain, you want to lodge some complaints, you just, whatever it is that you want about your channel growth, just go into my link, go into my description box, click on the link to my seller store and book for any of the packages. It's very affordable. And of course, I'll see you either on my next video or in class. Bye.